Okay, so I've got my two test variables here. I've got sdel Anil Basu, and test 2 is Mr. Basu. And in the first line, I'm going to print the first character, start from the beginning, type 1 character. And then I'm going to print start from the second letter and print up to the fourth letter. So that's going to be the del, that bit. And then here, this one, start from the fourth character, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After the fourth character, print the rest. So if I run this, you can see I've got all the bits I need to test if. So I can do my condition if test 1 square brackets, if the second, third and fourth letters are del, are equal to del, then contains, wrong language, print as a del. When I run this, it has a del. So I'm going to make a function def, and what is it in codingbat? It's delDel. Def delDel with a string argument. If the string, if the characters in the string are equal to del, then print the first letter, which is going to be the string, and plus I can't remember, print print the fourth character onwards. So if I test this out with test 1 and run that, I've removed the del. Yeah. And otherwise I'll print, else print string. So if I pass in there Bob, oops, it's just going to print out Bob. Now this is going to not work if I put in something that's smaller than 3 characters long. It's going to have an out of range. Oh no, hold on. Oh, in Python that works. In strongly typed languages that might blow up. All right. There is a worked solution.